Sorry, love friends. I miss the film Akanto. And yes, last time was a birth. Again, the spotted toe. You can listen to it. Oh yeah, yeah, it stopped. Never mind. So first question. What are pie charts? Okay, well, I'll just assume that he's going to do that when I'm talking. That's fine, I guess. Good. He or she, there you go. Next step. Pie charts are charts that are shaped like pies, unless your your pies are square or any other shape that is not a circle. Then the best way to describe it is a circle. Wait, no, it's charts that is shaped, that is a shape, that has a shape, there you go, of a circle. It probably got named pie charts because someone thought, yeah, I continued to misspell stuff, that it looks like a pie. This is probably not accurate. Guess why? It's probably a joke. So it's just an example. Anyways, it's humorous. I think I just hit the bone. Did I? I'm not trying to link this to anatomy. It is linked. I accidentally made it linked to anatomy. Again. Yay. What is the purpose of a pie chart? Its purpose is that to contain information while also being easy to read. You don't want an entire book to be shown on your what is it called, sales presentation. Huh. Oh yeah, it is purpose. No, that is not correct. It will be its. However, don't be fooled. And I made a grammatical mistake again by some charts. Some don't trust. And I'm talking about all of the charts, not just pie charts, that add up to more or less than 100%. For, wait, that's not about pie charts. Okay, there you go. Also read the percentages carefully. Why? Because someone could just alter the shape of the pie, put some kind, put the real percentage on it, and then the percentage doesn't fit, like 5% getting half, and then the 50% getting a quarter of the pie, and then the 45% got a quarter of the pie. Does not make sense. The 50% should be nearly like the 50% should have half of the pie chart, 45 nearly half, and then the rest is taken by the 5%. It should be like that, not the 5% having the 50%, 45% having a quarter, 50% is having a quarter. That does not make sense. Okay, now let's make a pie chart, I suppose. Insert chart. And this is what I was about to talk about. Yeah, later. I'm going to make another video for that. There is the 2G pie of this pie, then there is the 3G pie, then there is the pie of pie, which is just a pie out of a segment of a pie chart. And then there is the bar of pie, which is just a bar, column of this one, just, I don't know, whichever you like. Of a bar of pie, it just looks like this. And then there's the donut. Like, why donuts? I mean, yeah, sure, it looks like a donut. But why is the donut so thin? Okay, let's just go on with the regular pie. And here we go. There is Excel again. Then there is the chart styles and such. And let's say sales. Let's just edit the numbers. Maybe all of them should be one. See, it changes. You can just, if you, this is automatically changes. Let's see if 111. Okay, it's perfectly not 25. I think yeah, 25. What about you become 10? That's a majority. Then what about you become 10? That's, oh yeah, that is nearly half, but it is not half. Then what if you have become 10? Nearly a 3, nearly a circle divided by 3. Wrong. There, fix that. Why is yellow soldier? Also, you can rename this. For example, first year, second year, third year, and then set of sales. You can have whatever you want, like employees. But I think you need to hire more employees if your employee count is still the same, 10. So yeah, I suppose that is it. Thank you for watching. Oh wait, I haven't even tested. I mean the chart in Microsoft Word. Okay, yep, that's a bit. Series, employees, point, flood, value, 10 equals to 33%. They forget about the 0.3 that it is counted down. That's going to be a problem. I think, yeah, I think that is the rational number. Just round it down. So it is supposed to be 33.3 until infinity. There is infinite trees. And then such, but then you lose 1%. Somehow there is one, like there is 99 point, if you just add them up, 99.9 until infinity, infinite nines. Yeah, I think I just related this to another thing. Oh yeah, that's a zebra dove. I kept on saying that as zebra grove for some reason. So yeah, I suppose that is it. Wait. Chat title. Such a useful thing. Chat area. There's no chats here. So yeah, I suppose that is it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.